Aldez Containers was first established in 1998, providing a full range of quality expendable packaging, returnable packaging products, and warehousing services. Today, Aldez Containers is known throughout the automotive industry, and their offerings span the full range from corrugated and returnable packaging to the associated warehouse and logistics services. But what really sets Aldez Containers apart is their commitment to their customers, and it all starts with earning their customers' trust.
Our customers have high expectations that require complex solutions on demand. Our Yes We Can philosophy and extensive industry experience affords us the flexibility to offer customized, customer-specific solutions. We pride ourselves on exceeding our customers' expectations every day.
Along with earning their customers' trust, Aldez is also committed to providing a customized service offering to meet their distribution requirements, cutting packaging expenses, and designing intelligent, cost-effective solutions.
Customer commitment for Aldez is providing the customer with the right service and the right part in the right place at the right time.
Our level of commitment to our customers comes from dedication to quality and performance. We achieve this through continuous quality checks and performance assessments. We would like to produce the best product and services to our customers at the best value.
Aldez's commitment not only extends to their customers, but also to their employees. Employees that are an essential part of the success of Aldez Containers.
Commitment to the employees is important because the employees are considered the backbone of the organization. The same commitment develops a bond of shared values that generates loyalty, ownership, and pride, which ensures the customer's expectations are not only met, but exceeded.
Aldez Containers' mission is to deliver operational excellence in every aspect of their company and to exceed their commitments to their customers by providing solutions, performance, and reliability to every service and product they design.